Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of the prestigious Landed Home Series by AAG Landed 7772. I'm Brandon.
And I'm Agnes. Today we are at this prime location in District 15 where we are about to unveil this breathtaking brand new detached at 17 Pool Road.
Nested on a generous freehold plot of 4,660 square feet, paired with a remarkable structure boasting approximately 12,325 square feet of innovative design, this house is set to be completed in the first quarter of 2024.
What sets this property apart is its visionary design by the acclaimed architect Desmond Kok from DI Plus Architects. And guess what? We've got an exclusive chat with Desmond to find out what are the inspiration behind his architectural vision. Hi Desmond, thanks for sending time off your busy schedule for this interview. We're really curious about what makes 17 Pool Road stands out. Could you walk us through some of the architectural highlights that has its own flavor as compared to other houses?
Hi Agnes, thanks for having me. The 17 Pool Road is designed with distinctive clean lines and multiple layered facade feature comprising a careful composition of linear boxes and the unique frameworks, and yet with this provide a privacy spontaneously. So inspired by a surrounding calmness, it evolved. The material and color usage aim to exude the stillness and the tranquility of the place. There are three layers to design. The upper layer consists of the metal roof and the cladding encasing the attic level. The mid layer features an odd form concrete that look to with integrated perforated screening wrapping the family and master bedroom. This screening wrap facade act as a privacy screen, which allowing light and yet keeping view away from the neighbors. So finally, a porous ground layer, which is the mixed with the mid-dark thin wall and accessible. A large glass panel and contained with double volume communal space with abundant natural light and ventilation. So at 17 Pool Road, we strive and craft to a special home that with a balance of expressions, thoughtful and well-considered planning, a facade that give a house a unique identity and character.
The qualities of material can really make or break a home's character and durability. Can you share with us about the choice of materials and construction technique that you have used to give this home its lasting quality?
Let me share with you, Agnes. Every materials and construction method used in each part of this house is carefully selected and to suit its functional and aesthetic needs. The driveways at the basement foyer is finished with granite stone that are hardy and textured, off-site fabrication of spiral staircase, which is give it a curved glass balustrade to achieve the best quality and ease of installation was adopted. The living and the dining floor are cladded with natural marble stones that bring the sense of warm, unique and luxury feel. The kitchen cabinetry and appliances are high-end imported brands. Other common area bedrooms are finished with a green product of engineered woods that easy to install, maintain and to replace in the future. The large part of the external feature wall is finished with the odd form concrete and the spray texture paint that durable and easy to maintain. So a large metal roof with standing seam will allow a owner for future solar panel installation easily and as well as for accessible maintenance. Door and window framing, sun shadings, perforation panel and timber look-alike ceilings are in aluminium extrusion and finishing that bring lightweight look and the feel contrast with the counterbalance, the aesthetic look and the hard texture of the off-form concrete linear boxes. So this is the unique character that we would like to bring to these projects.
We would love to get a sense of how the inside of the home feels. Could you walk us through the layout and flow of the interior spaces and how it can enhance the functionality and comfort for the prospective homeowners?
Very interesting question, Agnes. Let me bring you through. For this particular house, upon arriving through the main gate, there are very welcoming driveway with both sides. We created an open landscape And next to it is actually a waterfall that coming from the second floor and allow a water to cascading down. That bring a sense of a waterfall at the main arrival of the car park. And the car park is a very open space that allow multiple cars to park in. And of course, that also lead by a specially crafted spiral staircase that actually with a natural crafted curved glass that bring the guests and the end user up to the upper level with the floating water deck. Now, upon entering, the interior living and the dining spaces are greeted with high double volume space, very flexible open planning space surrounded by the pool and aluminum glass sliding door that bring a lot of natural lights and cross ventilation spaces with the borderless connectivity to the pool around it. The dining area is directly connected with the dry and the wet kitchens, and finishing with contemporary sleek look imported Italian kitchen carpentry set with the high kitchen appliances brands like Vizuk. At mezzanine floor, an open plan interactive and semi-private home office and working space that created and allow the owner and the user to host and to entertain their guests, of course with the guest room just next to it. Now, the second floor story and the attic onward are dedicated as a private home spaces where the master bedroom, junior master bedroom, large common family lounge and multi-purpose hall are created where family members have their own flexible choices of indulging into their own private spaces. At the same time, they can also intermingle, at this common area. Now, the master bedroom has a large open layout, walk-in wardrobe spaces, and a unique master bathroom that wrapping with a tall sliding door with the perforated aluminum panel that provide interesting perforation effects that allow natural light, cross ventilation, and yet do not compromise on the privacy at the surrounding area. So this will be a unique features that's specially crafted for the homeowner.
Now, thinking about the future owner of this beautiful home, can you help us paint a picture of the lifestyle for 17 Pool Road that is perfect for?
Sure, Agnes. A large family with multiple generational family members who are looking for a large, spatial, and flexible home layout, plan to stay together and to indulge into uniquely created contemporary architectural design that suit their modern lifestyle living in the urban landscape and the resort setting. So this will be where the uniquely project that can cater for various varieties and choices for the homeowners.
Thank you so much, Desmond, for your insights and details behind the design of 17 Pool Road. I believe it offers potential homeowners a deeper understanding and appreciation of what makes this property so unique and desirable. Now let's take a closer look at the neighborhood and amenities surrounding 17 Pool Road to see what the location has to offer.
Here it is. You step outside and within a few steps, you've got some of the best local food spots, charming bistro and cozy cafes. Craving for some local food? You're close by to two awesome food centers at Old Airport and Diamond Road. Plus, getting around is a breeze with Dakota MRT station just 10 minutes stroll away. And guess what? The Thomson East Coast Line is opening next year, which is going to make zipping around even easier. For those who drives, the city and the airport are just a short drive away thanks to the easy access to the ECP. Families with school-going children, renowned schools like Kong Hwa School and Tanjong Katong Primary are just within a kilometre.
Let's take a closer look to explore what makes this property such an exciting investment opportunity. All resale detached houses in this prime area are already fetching around $2,001 to $2,002 per square foot. To buy a similar land size property to rebuild, for the land alone, you are looking at a value of around $10 million. And in today's market, building a house of comparable size could easily add another $5 to $6 million to your investment. Not to mention the lengthy 1.5 to 2 years it would take to complete and all the hassles you have to deal with. And here's the exciting part. This incredible brand new Detached can be yours for just $15.95 million. It is not just a home, it's a smart investment in a sought after location, almost ready for you to move in without the wait. With limited supply of detached homes available in this area and the rising prices of new launch condos nearby, ranging from $2,005 to $2,007 per square foot, the potential for appreciation in landed property values is immense. That's a glimpse of the elegance and luxury that this property offers.
Your opportunity to own this exceptional property is just a phone call away. Contact us now.
AAG Landed 7772, your compass for landed properties.